custody. Hoes so musty. Hoes are so crusty. These bitches is my sons and I don't want custody. You a stupid hoe. Let me tell you, I hate that song, but it's the most catchy. Oh, damn her for making such a catchy song. A catchy, stupid song at that. Okay, hey y'all. So, it's not Trayvon Tuesday, but this is going to be a Justice for Trayvon update. So, George Zimmerman yesterday was finally, after Lord knows how long, charged for the murder of Trayvon Martin. And he turned himself in or whatever, and today he's going to court to be indicted, I believe the correct word is. When they bring you in and tell you what you're being charged for and whether you can be set on bond or whatever, you have to stay in jail or whatever. First opinion, if you ask me, don't let his ass go nowhere. His ass needs to stay in some type of monitored area, because if you ask me, you kill somebody, not just somebody, a 17-year-old innocent boy, and you got the entire nation against your ass, he might try to kill himself. So we don't want him taking the easy way out. So I say hold his ass in jail. So that's the first part of those. Second part, Momma Martin, which is Trayvon's mother, got on Good Morning America this morning, and not this morning, I think it was yesterday morning, some morning, and she made a statement, and here's the statement. I'm talking in a very monotone voice today, I don't know why. I kind of like it though, but here we go. So she said she believes that Trayvon was killed on accident. And she believes that Zimmerman wishes he could turn back time and fix what happened, and the situation just got out of control and things of that nature. I was, like, when I was in high school, I wanted to be like a crime scene investigator or like a law enforcement person, not like a police officer, but like I wanted to be like a lawyer type person. So I only was there for one semester, but I learned a whole lot in that one semester. Lawyers' jobs are to basically manipulate our minds into believing whatever the fuck they want us to believe. So with that statement that she just gave, if they pull her on the stand, they're going to eat her alive with that one statement, because you basically belittling the situation. If you ask me, you're belittling your child's death down to an accident, and we have like the whole nation in a frenzy about people marching with hoodies on in 70-degree weather, and you got people internet picketing like me, because I don't picket outside because it be warm bugs and shit. So I picket on the internet with YouTube and Twitter and stuff. So that's why this is my picket sign. So you got people doing that and like marching like it's the Million Man March again. And to belittle this situation down to an accident, dare I almost say it's like a smack in the face. Like, we all believe it wasn't no accident. And sidebar, let me just like clear up what an accident is, especially when it comes to shooting someone. When you shoot someone on accident, you might shoot them like they might like get a little brush on the shoulder, maybe in the forearm, maybe a leg. You might even accidentally shoot somebody in the toe or the foot. But if you shoot somebody in the chest point blank, my 3-year-old or 3-month-old little nephew knows when you point, when he goes here, he knows what this is. So he knows clearly there's something important right here. He may not know what it is, but he knows when I go like this, he go like this too. So he knows that clearly something is right here. So for you to tell me that he shot him point blank in the chest on accident, you gotta come better than that. I ain't the smartest and I ain't the dumbest, but you damn sure ain't gonna pull that somebody shot somebody point blank in the chest on accident. No way. Hell no. After you called the police on him for no reason, chased him down, or excuse me, you followed him first, then you chased him, then you confronted him, and then you shot him. So you went through 4 steps before you got to shoot him. So if you couldn't extinguish this situation before you got to step number 2, you shouldn't even went after him. And then you shot him. Point blank in the chest. No, that ain't no accident. And you can't pay me to believe that it was an accident. And I just really hope by the time they get ready to go to court and all that, that they got like a bum-ass attorney, like one of them community college attorneys. Not to say, ooh, that was bad, Darrell. That was really bad. I take that back. Because there are productive people who come from community colleges, and I'm not knocking a community college. I went to one for a very long time. And I might go back to one just to get, you know, some extra classes in. But you can't give me like, no, let's use an internet attorney. That's a better one. Because you can get a degree online for anything. So you can't just, I hope they give him like some internet attorney that don't know shit. Well, they might know shit, but they don't know as much as like a university attorney. So, because if they do, that's going to belittle this entire case. Not only did you belittle his death, but you belittle the entire case. If what I learned in community college, being a law student for that one semester, is accurate. But it's just like, you're like, yeah, you're like belittling what happened. Like, you're just saying, okay, well, it was an accident. So it's not as serious as him just point blank killing my son. You feel me? Does that make sense? Am I making any sense? Usually I make sense, but it's still early in the day. So my mind is all the way there yet. So that's what I think. That's the update. He's going into being indicted today. Hopefully they don't let him go. If they do, I'm going to be pissed. Because I think he either going to A, flee, B, kill himself. One or the other. And if he gets to Mexico, they're going to have to go find him. And he looks like he can have some type of Spanish descent. So if he get down there and blend in with the Mexicanos, he ain't coming back. Alright, so that's it. BTW, no shade. I love my Mexicans. Don't even start with me. I have a lot of Mexican friends, and I love them all. Okay, y'all. That's it. I'm going to eat. Alright. I'll be back. This isn't Trayvon Tuesday. I'll be back on Tuesday giving out more updates. But this is just a Justice for Trayvon update. Boop, 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 boop. Alright, y'all. Peace. Oh, wait. No. Don't peace yet. Because I have another sidebar. Oh, what was the other sidebar? Damn it. It was something about, oh, the self-defense claim. This is self-defense claim. Apparently, they told, or Zimmerman had a bloody nose at the scene or whatever after all this went down. And they want to say that Trayvon was fighting back or was fighting him and busted his nose and he shot him. Here's my thing. If you shoot somebody, I've never shot a gun before. I've seen someone shoot a gun before. I mean, not like in real time. Like, I'm standing there like, oh my God, you just shot a gun, dude. Like, I've never seen it like that. But I've seen someone on TV shoot a gun. And even with both hands, they have like this effect that goes boom. That whole boom effect. If you had a gun and you were shooting at somebody, and mind you, this isn't like no street thug. This is just like some random dude who probably ain't never shot a gun before a day in his life, if you ask me. Shot this gun. Didn't know the power of Tech 9 had. The rappers, like Young G's and them, they rap about Tech 9s. So apparently, this gun has had some type of authority. So you shoot the gun, pow. Gun gotta be at least, let's see, maybe that. That's about it. So when you go pow, bam, broke your nose. I want to be the lawyer. I want to be the lawyer for this. I want to be the prosecutor because I promise if I'm the prosecutor, me and my one semester will get his ass locked up for the life sentence. I'm going down there. Alright, so that's I'm just saying. I'm not saying his defense is bullshit. I'm just saying his defense is straight bullshit. Alright, I'm out of here. I'm going to get my food. Alright, peace. You a stupid